Now this is our next experiment. This experiment belongs to the three-phase alternator. Now we have the three-phase alternator which is coupled to DC shunt motor, because as we know that the alternator always required some drive system to rotate for its operations. Now we have coupled to DC shunt motor for three-phase alternator. Now by using this test we are going to find out the voltage regulation of the three-phase alternator. Okay, so let's see the connection first. So we have the DC shunt motor. So this panel it is related with the DC shunt motor, while this one it is related with the three-phase alternators. Okay, so as I said, the DC shunt motor coupled to that, this is symbol is nothing but direct coupling. So I have connected the DC shunt motor by using such cords and connected one rheostat in the field circuit of DC shunt motor, so that I can adjust the speed to the synchronous value. Okay. Now this second rheostat, it is used to supply the field current to the field winding of the alternator. Okay, that means this is used to supply the DC current which is used for producing the fluxes in the alternator. Okay, and this part is nothing but a load band which is connected, called a balanced load. For this practical we are taking the load for different power factor. That means firstly we are using a resistive load, second part we are using inductive load, and third one we are using capacitive load. So we will start with the help of the firstly resistive load. Okay. So I am starting the experiment. So by using the 3-point starter, I am switching on DC shunt motor. Now by wiring the field rheostat, I can achieve the speed of the alternator to its synchronous value. Okay, so synchronous speed of alternator is about 1500 rpm. Now I will check the first its speed of alternator. Now I got about 1500 rpm something. So now after that I have connected one voltmeter, AC voltmeter across the load. Okay, so by wiring the excitation, now excitation is now switched off. Okay, now by wiring the excitation you can check that there is a change in the voltage of the alternator. Okay, now I am wiring the field regulator, that means field rheostat. Now if I am wiring the field rheostat, now there is change in the AC voltage, you can see that. Okay, now I am wiring the rheostat of the field circuit of the generator, so that I can obtain the rated voltage of alternator. My rated voltage of alternator is about 415 volt. Okay, so by using the field rheostat I am varying the rated voltage. Now it's near about 420 I got. Okay, now you should apply the balanced load system for getting that particularly voltage regulations. Now these are for a three-phase balanced load system. I am switching on one by one. Now you can see that there is a variation in this output current of alternator. Okay, so output I have connected to these are the 3 R, Y, B and N terminal of the alternator. So I am connected the load through this ammeter. Okay, so this ammeter is used to measure the output current of the alternator, while this multimeter we called this voltmeter is used to show out or to use to measure the voltage of the generators. Okay, so this is the one reading. So you should take the current is of near about 3 ampere, 1.5 ampere. The voltage is 384 volt. Okay, similarly this is one reading. Similarly you can increase again, switch on the different loads simultaneously. म्हणजे काय करायचं तुम्हाला प्रत्येक फेज मध्ये सेम लोड अप्लाय करायचा. म्हणजे आर फेजला पण सेम लोड असावा, वाय फेजला पण सेम लोड असावं आणि बी फेजला पण सेम. म्हणजे हे आर फेजचा, वाय फेज, बी फेज प्रत्येक फेजला तुम्हाला इक्वल लोड ॲट अ टाइम द्यायचा आणि तुम्हाला व्होल्टेज मेजर करायचा. आणि सिमिलरली नाव आता आपण काय केलं, इथं आपण रेजिस्टिव्ह लोड लावलेला आहे. ओके, सो एक पूर्ण रेजिस्टरचा पूर्ण सेट झाला. तुम्हाला हा रेजिस्टर रिप्लेस करायचा, अल्टरनेटर बंद करायचा, रेजिस्टर रिप्लेस करायचा आणि इथे तुम्हाला इंडेक्स लोड द्यायचा आणि परत सेम प्रोसिजर काही फरक नाही, फक्त लोड बदलतोय आपण. ठीक आहे, एकदा इंडेक्स लोड झाला परत नेक्स्ट टाइम तुम्हाला कॅपॅसिटी लोड अप्लाय करायचं. ओके, अँड बाय युझिंग दिस यू कॅन मेजर द व्होल्टेज रेग्युलेशन ऑफ अल्टरनेटर. मग अल्टरनेटरचं सिंक्रोनस स्पीड आहे 1500 RPM इतका सिंक्रोनस स्पीड आहे आणि माझा अल्टरनेटरचा जो काही नो लोड व्होल्टेज आहे इट्स ऑफ 415 415 व्होल्ट आहे. ओके, थँक्यू.